So guys, this is Adventures with Razy, live and direct in Modane, France. Yeah, so this is a small French town and it has a population of 3,784 inhabitants. Yeah, so it's a small town and it's actually mountainous. Yeah, the town here is surrounded by mountains and it has a very nice view. Yeah, so we're just going in to explore this town, to view the mountains around here. Yeah, to have a beautiful moment. Yeah, so to let you know that this is my first time in France. Yeah, this is my first time in France. I've never been in France. This is my first time. It's my first time to experience here, and I only hope it's going to be an amazing adventure. Yeah, so stay tuned here. Let's go explore Modane.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade.
So guys, Mamma Mia, it's freaking cold here. Wow, it's just right now I just put on my glove. Oh my god, man, it's freaking cold here, to be honest. I wasn't expecting it to be this cold. Oh, so good that I came along with my gloves. Oh my god, guys, let me show you around. This town is just, I'm freezing, man, to be honest. This French town is really crazy, man. I'm freezing. So guys, this is Adventures with Erazy. Yeah, we are here in Modane. It's a French town. Yeah, that sees borders with Italy. So you've all seen like the border control is a very tight border, like, to be honest, Yeah, so we're now in the town. Yeah, exploring the streets and everything that this town offers. Looks nice somehow. The view is nice. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm freezing, guys. I don't know if I would be able to speak properly, but man, it's super cold here. I don't know how people live around here. How do they live here, guys? Oh my goodness. So you can see mountains over there. Over there you can see mountains. Yeah. Wow. Super cold. Looks organized. Yeah, the town looks organized, to be honest. Oh. This is Adventures with Razy. So we're getting into the town. Yeah. We're going to the town center right now. And see how people live around here. Wow. Look at this. This must have been an ancient clock. Wow, these are French stuffs, man. Wow, what is that? Those are coins. Do you have any idea about this? Piazzo. Must be ancient coins. Look at it. Wow. Looks beautiful. Looks beautiful, guys. Wow. First time in France and I'm loving it. Wow. Looks pretty organized. It's like Christmas stuffs. Like, I don't even know, like, to be honest, man. Guys, I might be out of words because I'm really freezing right now, to be honest. And you know how it looks around here? It's kind of a little bit windy. The cold here is a little bit windy, and it penetrates. No matter what kind of jacket you put on, it will still penetrate. It will still penetrate. So that's the kind of crazy weather around here. How do people live here? Mamma mia. So this is Adventures with Razy, guys. We are officially in France. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Wow. The streets are lively, you know. See people walking and Forex news. You see the name of this town. It's just reading right. Reading Modane. Modane. Oh. Wow. Super cold. Mamma mia. Guys, this is Adventures with Razy, live and direct in France. It's super cold here, to be honest, man. Wow. I've never experienced this kind of cold. I'm out of internet, even though I would just check on the temperature. I'm actually out of the internet, like, I don't know. Oh. Nice French food smelling. Perhaps I should try. Oui, ce ne comprends pas. Oui. Mamma mia. French used to be one of the languages that I hated when I was a kid at school. Yeah. I'm gonna tell you a story about but I tend to have interest in it now. Oh, yes. Wow, flowers. Just like in Italy. Whoa. Wow. Water passage. Where am I headed to? Mamma mia. It's super cold here. So guys, this is Merry Christmas stuffs. Looks really nice. You can see that snowman's, I don't know, should I say the snowman? That doesn't sound right. Yeah, look at it. Looks nice. Christmas stuffs. I love this up. Oh, this is Adventures with Razy. We are in France, guys. So let's explore. What is written on it? La Poste. So that's what surprised me about this town. Look at it. Here you have mountains. You can walk around that end. And this other side also you have mountains. You can walk around that end. So the only place where you can explore is this side. Only this side. That really surprised me. So this town is just, I don't know how would I say it. The nature of it really looks surprising to me. So guys, this is a kebab shop. Yeah, I just want to check the price, like how much it costs. Just look at it. You won't believe it, guys. Kebab. You see kebab? €8.50. In Italy, this is just €4. Yeah. Some places you can even have it for like €3.50. Yeah, but at least €4 you'll have to buy in Turin. Yeah. But here it's 2 times the price, man. €8.50 for kebab. Mamma mia. France. How is this possible? It's super expensive here. Mamma mia. How is this possible? Oh my goodness, guys. This is Adventures with Razy. Yeah, let's keep walking. Like, I have to put on my my gloves again because it's super cold here. Yeah, so this is Adventures with Razy, life in direct in Modane, a French town. Yeah, that's here's bordered with LA. And you can't believe it, guys, how cold it is here. Guys, this is a camera shop. Look at it. This is Canon. No, this other one is Sony, and it's costing like 1,390. And this other one is Nikon, and it's costing like €249. Wow. But how comes this camera costs like this? Minolta, and it's €49. Ooh, with all this, I don't know much about cameras, but whoa, this other one is Nikon 990. Yeah, Canon is I see Canon's E05. Yeah, it costs like €599, and the other Canon is 1,100. Wow, crazy prices. Whoa. This is Adventures with Razy, life and direct in France. So guys, it's like the city, the city center is around this end. Yeah, so that's what it is trying to tell me. Because if you look at this board here, it is telling you Hotels de Ville. That is the name of a hotel that is around that other end. Yeah. And you have Zone Industrial. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it well, but it means industrial zones. Yeah, that must be areas where they're doing manufacturing. And Complex Sportive around that end. Residence Sole around that end. Service Technique Municipal around that end. Everything is around that end. Boulangerie around that end. So we're going around this end to explore everything that's around here.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away.